With summer just around the corner, it's time to start thinking about getting your beach body ready. But what about those unsightly toenails you've been hiding away all winter? If you're suffering from nail fungus, injury, or other nail issues that have left your toenails looking less than perfect, there's a solution that can have you confidently flaunting your feet in no time. Keryflex Nail Restoration. I'm Houston podiatrist Dr. Andrew Schneider. I'm board certified with over 20 years of experience. This innovative treatment not only helps to improve the appearance of damaged or disfigured toenails, but also provides a protective barrier to promote healthy nail growth. With Keryflex, you can finally say goodbye to embarrassing toenail problems and hello to beautiful, beach-ready nails. In today's video, we'll explore the science behind Keryflex, the benefits of nail restoration, and the treatment process, as well as tips for caring for your restored nails and boosting your confidence with gorgeous toenails. Before I get into it, I wrote a book all about toenail health. I'd like to send it to you as a gift. You can request it at www.mytoenailbook.com. Also, let others know about these videos. Please like, comment, hit the subscribe button, and share on social media. This will help others find this information. Have you ever wished you can show off your feet confidently, especially when you're at the beach? Well, there's a special treatment called Keryflex that can help transform your unsightly toenails into beautiful ones. Keryflex is a unique nail restoration system that uses a special formula to create a flexible, durable, and natural looking nail. It's like giving your damaged nail a makeover. The process involves applying a patented resin formula to your nail and curing it under a special UV light. This creates a protective layer that bonds with your existing nail, restoring its appearance and making it look and feel natural. One of the cool things about Keryflex is that it includes an antifungal agent. This agent helps to stop fungus from growing on your nails, protecting them from future infections. It's not a treatment for existing fungal infections though. It also helps your nail grow healthier and stronger. With Keryflex, you can have beautiful toenails that are not only pretty but also healthy. The best part is that Keryflex is a non-invasive procedure, which means it doesn't involve surgery or taking oral medications. It's a safe and quick treatment that takes less than an hour, so you can visit our clinic and leave with gorgeous toenails that are ready for the beach. Here's how the Keryflex treatment works. First, a specialized resin is applied to your damaged nails. It's flexible and durable just like your natural nail. The resin is applied in a medical environment and it's cured under a UV light, making it harden and bond with your natural nail. The result is an artificial nail that looks and feels like a real, healthy toenail. Not only does Keryflex improve the appearance of your nail, but it also protects them from further damage or infection. Unlike acrylic nails, Keryflex is designed specifically for toenails and works well with antifungal medications, so you can continue any treatments you might be using while enjoying beautiful nails. Once you've had the Keryflex treatment and your nails are restored, it's important to take good care of them. Keep your feet clean and dry to prevent bacteria and fungi from causing damage. Wash your feet with soap and water every day and dry them thoroughly, especially between your toes. Choose breathable shoes and moisture-wicking socks to keep your feet dry and reduce the risk of infections. Remember not to pick at your nails or use harsh chemicals or nail products that could damage the Keryflex material. Trim and file your nails to a manageable length and make sure to schedule regular follow-up appointments to keep your nails in great shape. Having beautiful toenails can boost your confidence and make you feel better about yourself. You'll no longer have to worry about hiding your feet or missing out on fun activities at the beach. You can freely express yourself through your choice of footwear and enjoy the warm weather without any concerns. So if you're tired of unsightly toenails, give Keryflex Nail Restoration a try. It's a safe and effective solution that can make every step a little brighter and more enjoyable. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please take a moment to like, comment, and share on social media. Be sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss another video. Be sure you order my book, all about toenail health. I'm happy to send it to you as a gift. Visit www.mytoenailbook.com to request your copy. The link is in the description. If you're tired of hiding your ugly toenails under closed-toed shoes and socks, it's time to give Keryflex a shot. This nail restoration treatment not only gives you stunning toenails, but also boosts your confidence for those beach days. Don't let unsightly toenails hold you back any longer. Schedule your Keryflex treatment today and enjoy the freedom of flaunting your fabulous feet all summer long. The link to request an appointment is also in the description. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.